This is my December 2023 Zazzle store sales report. This is my About Us page where I break down how I got started on Zazzle. For the month of December, I had 24 sales comparable to the 25 sales I had in November. My store sales: Miss Rhoadie 13, Weddings by Rhoadie 0, Alma Africa 1, Bible Verses and Gifts 2, Homeschool Me 6, Rhoadie's Kitchen 2, Earrings by Rhoadie 0, and I had 1 referral. My best-selling item is this beautiful black and white stripes towel. For my honorable mention, I sold Red Apple Teacher Rewards. So it's interesting the things that you will sell, especially around Christmas. Other items sold: shot glasses, Christmas cards, stickers, baby shower thank you cards, kitchen towels, shirts, a luggage tag, birthday cards, stationery, stadium cushion, Post-it notes, Christmas stockings, file folders, and digital birthday cards. These are my customer demographics. 92% of my customers were women, 8% men. Top states: Texas came in first, followed by California and New York. I had international sales: Australia, Canada, and United Kingdom. Referrals: I had a gender reveal from Pixel Perfection Party Ltd. Takeaways: my stores, they continue to sustain themselves. Like I said in my previous video, I'm a teacher, so sometimes I don't always get my Zazzle store unless it's the summertime or it's break, because I'm on a break right now. So my stores that sustain itself. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. This is a list of all of my stores. Have a nice day.